when you have installed and activated a plugin, the first thing you need to do is to come over to social settings, and when you click on social settings, it takes you to this page. When you get to this page, everything is set to default, and the first thing you need to do after that is to activate the sharing button. So when you click on this, yes, it's activated, and here is the sign that you want it missing. Like if you check on this post, the star sign is what is missing. You can put anything here, but by default is set to the star sign. Next is the email box settings. If you want to collect leads after the user shares your content, then you can set this to yes. If you don't want to collect leads, then you can set this to no. So if you set this to yes, then you have to put some instructions here for the user to see after they've shared your content, and that is something like this. This appears after the user has shared the content, so they'll put something here that will entice the user to enter their email. Then next is the email box background. Now we are talking about this blue background here. You can use the color picker here to choose any background that you want. And that's it. Then here is the email box font color. We are talking about this white color that I choose here. So you choose the color that will match your email background. I will choose white. Next is the email box input text color. By that I'm talking about this space here, the text, that the color of the text that will enter here. So it depends on the background color that you choose for this. So email box input text color will be black, and the email box input background color will be white. So the white background is this background here, and the text color I choose black, so it goes together. You can choose any color that you want. And then here, email box input border color, that is this border color here. So let me choose something, say white. And here is email box button background color, that is this background color here. So let me choose green as well. And the last one on the email setting is the email box button font color. So let me choose white for this. That's done for the email setting. And now you come over to the social instructions. Now here you have to put the instructions of what you want the users to do when they first land on your post, and that is what should be written here. So simply write something that will let the user to know that you have to share this content in order to access it, something that you wish that you want. And if you want the content to be bold like this, then you have to add this HTML code at the beginning and this other one at the end in order for your instructions to be bold like this. So simply add whatever you want. This content is locked for subscribers. Please kindly click the share button to unlock this page. So that is what you are seeing here. And next is the social instructions background. That's pretty clear, this background. So you choose something that matches your site, and you can do that with the color picker here. Then the social instructions font color. So depending on the color here, then you choose something that will match, that will be clear for the readers to see. And that's it for the settings. Next, you have to choose how many share buttons you want to appear on your page. So there are 5 of them, but the ones you want to appear, you can switch it on. Simply switch it on to yes. And after that, you have to upload them. this plugin comes with a pack of social share buttons, specially designed ones for you. So go into the members area and get those share buttons that I have made for you. However, if you want yours, you can upload any one that you want, but I will advise you use the one that I've provided, because I have made them in different sizes, so that if you choose 2, you can choose bigger sizes, but if you want 3 or 4 of them, you can add smaller sizes. So if you look into your package, you can see these buttons that you can use to add to, you can use to upload to your site. So the other thing you need to do with Facebook is create your Facebook app ID. That's pretty simple. Just go to Facebook. I will make that video. I'll make a different video for that on how to create Facebook app ID. So for now, if you want sharing on Facebook, you only have to put your app ID here. So and when that is done, that's it. So now let's go over to an active post that I have made, and let's see how it displays. Now this is one that I have made, and if you want to share it, if I click on Facebook share here, this pops up. If I click post to Facebook, you see it's refreshing. You can't see it, but it's refreshing now. Now after sharing, because I switched it on, it got to this page, and when I enter my email here, it simply unlocks. Now let me enter an email here. And now the page has been unlocked. Now there's one more thing you need to do in order to collect your leads. So you've done all the settings. In order to make this work on existing pages, you come over to shortcodes here, and when you get to this shortcode, you will see all your posts. Under post, you see your pages. If you click on page settings, you see the different pages that you have. So under post, you simply click on yes on the post you want to lock, and that's all. You don't need to do any other thing. Remember to save settings after clicking on the pages you want to lock. After that, however, if you want to make a new post, simply go to add new posts, and you will see that there is a content lock here. So if you make a new post and you want to lock that post, click on content lock, and a shortcode will be added. You don't need to do anything, just click on this content lock and that post will be locked. And if you go back to the shortcode options here, you can turn it off or turn it on at any time that you want. In order for you to start collecting leads into your autoresponder, you come over to MailChimp and enable it. Once you enable MailChimp and add your API key here, it will pull all the lists that you have. You simply pick the list that you want to add subscribers to for that website and click on save changes, and that's it. All the emails that will be entered that will be used to unlock the page will be added to that list. If you come to social analysis here, you have an opportunity to download everything that has been done here. You can download it into CSV file, Excel file, or PDF file, and you filter out the various emails that users have used, and you see all the data of how the different shares, which post is getting the highest share, and here you can see post by post analysis or pages and all of that. So that's it for now. Thank you, and I wish you all the best.